Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve HTML injection reflected get and post challenge available in bWAPP application. So first click on HTML injection, reflected get and click on hack button to get the challenge page. So first we will solve this in low security level. So this is the challenge page asking for first name and last name. So we can use basic payload. So just copy basic HTML injection payload, provide in the first name, and in the second payload, provide in the last name, and click on go button. So we can notice the provided payload executed successfully. So as there is no validation, so this provided payload executed, and this is reflected get. So we can notice the provided payload is passing in the URL and reflecting back in the page. Next, we can go to post and click on hack button. So page is similar to previous one, and we can provide the same payload here and click on go button. So the same payload executed successfully here as well because we are keeping security level as low. The only difference, it is like reflected post, so we can't see the provided payload in the URL. Instead, it will go in the request body. So if we check, so in the request body, this provided payload is passing. Now we will change the security level to medium. So go to reflected get, click on head button, change security level to medium and click on set button. Now provide the same payload and click on go. So if we notice this time the provided payload reflected as text. So it is not executing this time because we set security level to medium. So there is some kind of validation which is not allowing this payload to get execute. So now we can use bWAPP extension and we can convert this payload into encoded format. So go to decoder improve, provide the payload, select encode as then URL special character. So it will convert the special character into encoded format. So copy this encoded format value, provide in the challenge page. So I will keep this here as well. And for the next value also, go to bWAPP and convert into URL encoded format. Provide in the last name and click on go button. So we can notice this payload executed successfully. So even though security level is medium, we are able to exploit this vulnerability if we convert the payload into URL encoded format. Again, we will follow the same approach for reflected post, provide the encoded format in the last name also, the encoded format, and click on go. So we can notice challenge solved successfully if we provide URL encoded format of that particular payload. So if we check in the post request body, so this is the encoded format value for the HTML injection payload. So even though there is some kind of validation, but attacker can provide the URL encoded format and exploit this particular vulnerability. Thank you.